Trans-Mayan Orchestra. What did you think? Yeah. So while they're getting set back up here, I wanted to take just a moment to talk with you about the Desert Winds and how you can make a difference in Las Vegas by continuing to support incredible cultural arts programs like this. And I want to make sure I don't mess up the mission statement here. The Desert Winds promotes the performance of contemporary wind band literature as a rendering of today's societal expressions and strives to advance the appreciation of modern repertoire through outreach like this to educate, inspire, and indeed to entertain audiences.